Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Eric, and this is Wise Capital FX. And what we do here, it's all about trading. It's all about trying to make some money from this business. And my channel is all about educating you guys on what to do, what not to do, and please, if you have any comment, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any special request, leave it down there so that I will have a look at it and also prepare something to help you address the topic of concern. Now, today we are going to have a look at GBPUSD, a potential shorting opportunity. We'll also look at every single reason why I'm thinking that this could be a shorting opportunity, and you could easily go ahead and take a short and you make money for yourself. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so that whenever I post great content like this, you don't uh, miss out. And I'm also hoping that you'll share this with your friend. So let's get started. So if you look at this pair, currently we are getting a reversal pattern. For all of you who are new in this business, a reversal pattern simply tells you that whenever price was going up, you see this pair has been climbing for a while, then you get a pattern that tells you that it's about to change direction, it's about to drop. So this right here, this right here is the reversal pattern. So this one we call it the head shoulder pattern. So if you look at it very well, it looks like a structure of a human being. So this is the left shoulder. See this? Then this is the head. It protrudes slightly above both the right and the left shoulder. Then we get a drop, and then we get the right shoulder. So this is what we call the head shoulder pattern, and it is a reversal pattern. So what it does, it gives you a clue that price will most likely drop. So that is the reason why I'm thinking that this could be a shorting opportunity. Now, what I've discovered, whenever you want to use a reversal pattern, it's very important that you consider the higher time frame and have a look at that level to find out if we have a resistance level at this point. So simply put, a resistance level is an area where sellers find value, and as a result of that, they short the market, so they'll make their profit as price drops. So the only way we'll find out if this is a resistance, we jump to a time frame higher. Because that is 1 hour, you can jump to maybe H4. Let's see if we'll have something on H4. Okay, so this is the H4. So if you look from the left, we've got an area here where sellers did find value and they did push the price back down. So if you look from this area here, the bears jumped back into the market and they pushed the price all the way back down. So price currently is back to this area, and we expect the bears to come in like they did come this was on 24th, around 19th to 26th of February. So you see bears pushing down the market, and we also see bulls have tried their best. They've brought the price to this level again, and we can easily anticipate that the bears will also find value and most likely drop this market down. So that is reason two. So if we jump another time frame higher to maybe daily time frame, you see now we have a resistance zone. So the entire of this region is a resistance zone, because you see the last time price came here, it got pushed all the way back down, and now we are back in this zone, and we could most likely get a push downwards. So let's jump to the weekly. We see what's happening on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, you also discover that this is a resistance zone. So if you look from this point, the last time price was in this area, bears did find value and they pushed the price all the way back down. And now that we are coming back to this point, we have a possibility that bears might come back to the market and push this market all the way down. Remember, your work as a trader is to uh, discover the imbalance between supply and demand and take advantage of it. So at this area up here, we have an excess demand. There is more demand here than supply. So, sorry, there is more supply here than demand. The correct term should have been more supply here than demand. At the lower point, we have the more demand than supply. That's why price increases, right? And at the top here, we have more supply than demand. So we expect the sellers to come back into the market and push the market down. So since I was on the hourly chart, if we push it, then I clear all these things. So the best way, or there are two ways of trading this pattern. This pattern here is what we are focusing on. So this one is our reversal pattern. This is the clue that price might drop. So if it drops, which level could it reach again? If it decides to drop from this point, most likely it will come all the way to this point. You see, we have a level here. See this level? We also have another level right here. So if this price decides to drop, we have a possibility it might come all the way to this point. Now we have two ways of trading the head shoulder pattern. We have the aggressive way to enter, and we also have the conservative way to enter. These are for those traders who are looking for more confirmations. So for the less aggressive traders, they look for the break of the neckline. So if I draw a horizontal line or a trend line at this point, you can see that the neckline is being broken by this candle right here. Since it's on an hourly chart, we're expecting that 1 hour should be complete in the next 4 minutes or so. So you can easily go ahead and place your short order on this trade, this point here. So we can wait, then we can easily place our sell order. Our stop loss will come right above the right shoulder at this point. So we'll enter at this point and we'll most likely target this level down here. It's very important to determine the level that you expect to exit from the trade before you even place your order. So we will wait almost 3 minutes to go, and I'm sure we are going to get a close below this neckline, and we are going to place our short order at this point. So let's just wait for it. So you can adjust this to maybe 0.20. So since it's just 1 minute away, you can go ahead and place your sell order. And there we go, the order has been accepted. Then you can easily adjust your stop loss as well. So stop loss, our stop loss will be 1.4102. The profit around 1.40114. And that's it. So if this trade goes our way, we should make around $160, 160 USD. And if it goes against us, we should be losing around 136 USD. So we have a risk reward of around 1 to 1.5. So let's see how this trade will perform. So we have a possibility of price dropping all the way to that point. So we'll check back this trade in 2 days time and see how, or better still, we can check it tomorrow. We see how it has performed. So if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys, and hopefully I will increase the viewership of this channel, and it goes a long ways in supporting in supporting me, in other words. So thank you for now.